Hi everybody, I'm Enchanting and welcome to my channel. I have a witchy unboxing for you for June. This is from Sugar Muses, so I don't know if this is the Midnight Muses or Sugar Muses Deluxe. So I'll find out when I open it which one it is. This is another one of my favorites from the US. Okay, this is Midnight Muses. So this is what it looks like. So we're going to start off with our theme. Our theme is Litha Divination. So, very cool. Our oh, nice. Tea Time Book of Shadows. Very pretty. And then it says, time to interpret. Cool. So, it looks like those two. We have our pretty envelope with sticker. Oh, this is a pretty pentacle one. Red. And paper is red. Each month the paper changes, so I like that. Ooh, pretty card. Oh, what deck is this? I have this deck. It's beautiful. I think it's can't think of the name offhand. Goodness gracious. We'll find out at the end because I can't recall. Ooh, I love opening. Ooh, look what we got. We got a big book, Tea Magic, Spells, Rituals, and Divinations in Your Cup by Janae Marionette. And that's the side, and that's the back. Pretty full of good things in here. Let's see. Chapters, let's see what we got. What is tea witchery? 6 types of tea and how to brew them. Powerful health benefits of tea. Magic and power of water. The art of tea scrying. Visualization, chants, incantations, and breath magic. The magic of tea leaf reading. Charging your tea with stone energy. Sigils, symbols, and tea magic. Tea magic and spirit communication. Tea rituals and moon magic. Zodiac tea. Understanding cannabis tea. What to do with tea beyond drinking it. So a lot of good things in there. And then we got pretty psychic protection incense sticks. These smell good. We have a cute, we have 2 cute leaf stickers. And we have a beautiful Litha Sun Tea Book of Shadows. Incantation and how to use it. Yeah. Wow. And then we have this red box and things on the side. So we're going to start with the things on the side. So first off, we have this cute tube of matchsticks. Look at that cool thing. Then we have this beautifully tied black sachet. She ties in perfect bows. Beautiful. And we have I'm not 100% sure on this one. Kind of looks like a tiger eye, but I can't be for sure. I could be wrong. Maybe stromalite or something. Okay. Black. All right, we have tea. Sun tea. in these beautiful packages. Sun tea. We have bubble. And in here we have solstice night ritual oil in this beautiful bottle. I love these bottles. They're so pretty. And the labels, oh, very nice. Very nice. Everything matches. Then we have the Solstice Sight Soy Candle. Everything matches the labels here. Ooh. Nice. With some herbies. Very, very nice. And I guess our last item is going to be in this red box. This pretty red box here. That's it. Okay. So what's in there? So it says Divination Tea Set by Midnight Muses. I like the red box. Give this a little slice. Let's see what's in there. Ooh. So we got another tea. This is the Divination Tea. Ooh, 2 ounces of Divination Tea. Very pretty again. Labels. Gorgeous. Let's see our beautiful cup. We have a white scalloped cup with gold. That's the bottom. And let's see the salsa. Your salsa is the same scallop with a gold edge. So we have a pretty scalloped teacup. Is that thick? That's in here. Let's see. Yep. All right. All right. Let's see what's on the paperwork here. And they always have imprints in the back of the paper. It's kind of hard to see this one, but it's in there. Ooh, all right. So the items in the box is what is written on top. So I'm going to go over that first. We have, it says, Psychic Protection Incense. We have the Solstice Sight Ritual Oil. Ritual Matches. The hand-poured Solstice Sight Candle. Blue Tiger's Eye, so I was correct with the Tumblestone. And we have the Organic Sun Tea. Silver Organic Divination Tea, which is this. Porcelain Gold Trim Teacup and Saucer. The Tea Magic Book. And Intuitively Drawn Oracle Card and the Botanical Stickers. The items as, and then we have the all the art cards as well. And she didn't write those on here, did she? Oh yeah, tea reading art prints. So we got this and then these two here. We got a lot of goodies in here for sure. And then it goes over litho, tassography, Brood to Protection. Goes over different deities that go with astrology. Stones all in here. Then it goes over the items. So the Psychic Incense is meditation or spells to cleanse your space and set intentions to your ritual. The Solstice Sight Ritual Candle, ritual oil, excuse me, Shake gently before use. Anoint your pulse points or third eye. This oil blend has base notes of amber absolute with night blooming florals and a touch of citrus essential oils. Fragrant oils have been used throughout the ages as an integral part of rituals for personal magic and use. Can be used during ceremony to anoint the body as well as magical tools. You can boost your spells. Carrier oil is a base of scent-free organic almond oil from plants grown in the USA. And then, of course, the different fragrance oil and essential oils in there. Then the candle. This candle was hand-poured to set the intentions of illumination and psychic sight. It is made with green tea fragrance and topped with dried botanicals. That's what it says. Blue tiger's eye is said to combine earth energy with the light of the sun energy, creating an intense tone that's also well-grounded. Tiger's eye is said to enhance psychic and empathic energies while protecting the wearer. The Divination Tea is black teas with magical properties include the strength and happiness, while at the same time repelling negative energy. The Divination Tea set. There are different types of specific tea leaf reading cups on the market. Some included zodiac signs, playing cards, however. Regular white tea tips were used in the past. So, this tea set contains fine porcelain teacup saucer trimmed with 12-karat gold finish along with some divination tea. You'll never need loose leaf tea provided in your box. If you are a tea drinker, discard without drinking if possible too, although it is believed the person who drinks the tea is able to influence the tea leaves. Don't force yourself to drink it if you don't like to drink it, or only for fortune-telling purposes. Okay. Then you got the beautiful tea magic book with all the cool information in there that I mentioned in the beginning. The sun tea, which has included this blend, and the sun tea print included this month. Making your own sun tea is a fun way to celebrate Litha and harness the energy of the Sabbath. And there is, to read more about the sun tea, check out page 57 in the book. And then it has stickers, and the art print and the drawn card is from, I know who it's from, the Magical Botanical Oracle. So what do you guys think of Midnight Muses for June? I absolutely love it, guys. Let me know what you think. I'll leave all the information down in the description below. Thank you guys for watching.